How to turn off these Android settings to stop your phone from spying on you. This tutorial shows you how to disable a few Google tracking features that quietly run in the background. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Google. After that, tap All Services. At this point, tap Privacy and Security. Following this, tap Personalize using shared data. From here, this setting allows apps to monitor your activity and use it for targeted content. At this stage, turn off the toggle for each app listed there. Once turned off, back out to Google, then tap All Services again. Following this, tap Privacy and Security again. From here, this time tap Usage and Diagnostics. At this stage, this collects data about your app usage and sends it back to Google. Following this, toggle that off as well. From here, go back once more into Google, then All Services, then Privacy and Security. At this stage, this time tap Ads. Following this, tap Reset Advertising ID and confirm. From here, tap Delete Advertising ID and confirm. Make sure not to tap the button offering a new advertising ID, since that just replaces tracking with a fresh identifier instead of actually removing it. That's how you turn off these Android settings to stop your phone from spying on you. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.